first and foremost, I can say two skills. First is critical thinking, and second is teamwork. Critical thinking involves not only closely looking at what it is that you are reading, what you are hearing, what you are learning, to find if this is the information that is updated, if it is correct, you verify it. Make sure that it is relevant to what you're doing, because whatever people may say from different sources may not matter to your personal situation. So that's critical thinking that's necessary. Secondly, is teamwork. And teamwork means playing with those that you like and also playing with those people that you don't like. And that's what it means to do something towards a common goal. You can't always have friends around you. You will have people who differ in your opinions in the way that you work, but learning to find the middle ground and to understand that we're all different, but we can all move together towards a common goal. And teamwork, I think that's probably the most important skill. Those two important skills that for anything in a learner's life.